A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the Standard 8 subject Computer. As in the previous class, we have studied about how to create the HTML pages. We have also learned many simple elements. So now we will move further to how to create the list using an HTML. So we can create many types of lists using the HTMLs. I am giving you a simple example that we are going to a market. We create the list of the number of products or items we want to purchase when we go for a shopping. If our mother tells us to buy many things from the market and we are not able to remember all the things, then we take a pen and a paper and we write the number of items which we want to purchase. So that is called the manual list. It is prepared using a pen and the paper. But in computer also it is possible to create the list. Okay, so we will study now how to create the list using the HTML. Lists are one of the ways to provide information in a structured and easy to read format. It means that if point-wise information is given to you, it will be very effective and easy for you to learn it. It means that if you are creating a list, if you are writing it in one lines, then it is very easy for the user or the person who is reading the list, and for you also if you are making the list, to give them line to line presentation. Okay, they help the internet users to easily spot the information and focus attention on the important information. By using the HTML, you can arrange items in the form of list in several ways. The three most important ways are listed below. First is bulleted or unordered list, second is numbered or ordered list, and third is definition list. Let's discuss this briefly. First is unordered list. A list of items that are marked with bullets are called an unordered list. The list starts with UL tag, that stands for unordered list, and each item in the list starts with LI tag. It means list item. It means that when we are starting the list, we have to start the list using UL tag, and each item will be start with LI tag and it will be closed with /LI tag. After completing the list, it means after completing the entire list, the unordered tag will be closed at last. The following code illustrates the use of UL and LI tags. We can see the HTML code. So first is it will be started with /HTML, the HTML tag. Second with body tag, and third is H1 tag, which is used to give the heading. So here we are creating the list of the useful animal products. So the heading is useful animal products and the heading tag is closed. Now the UL tag is start. It means the unordered list tag. In that many items are given. So first item is milk. Second is eggs and meat. Third is leather. Fourth is wool and silk. Fifth is honey, wax and lead. So these all are the list items. It means that it will be started with LI tag and it will be closed immediately after the name of the list with /LI tag. Okay, after completing the list, the UL tag is closed. That means that now the list is completed. Finally, in the same way, the body and the HTML tag is also closed. On running the above program, you will get the output as shown in the figure 1.12. Here you can see that the heading is given useful animal products, which is written in H1 tag, and the list will be given with bullets. It means it is an bulleted or the unordered list, therefore the dot sign is used, which is also known as bullets. There are many types of bullets available in HTML tag, which can be triangle sign, square sign and many others, small dot, big dot. Okay, so many of the bullets are available. Here we can see the list of the items. So this is the list of the items. This is an example of unordered or bulleted text. Now we will move further to the ordered list. A list that is marked with numbers are called an ordered list. Which list? That is marked with numbers. It means the numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That list is known as an ordered or the numbered list. It starts with OL tag. Which tag? OL tag. OL stands for ordered list tag. Each item in the list starts with the LI tag. That stands for list item tag. The following code illustrates the ordered list. Here the code will be started with HTML body and heading is given the parts of the computer. It means that now we are creating the list for the parts of the computer. OL tag is started. Again, two list items are given. First is hardware and second is software. Finally, the ordered tag is closed, body tag is closed, and the HTML tag is also closed. On running the above program, you will get the output as shown in the figure 1.14. Here the tag, heading tag is parts of computer. So, it is given parts of computers. Okay, can you see this? So, this is the heading because it is written in H1 tag. Now, you can also see the numbers are given 1 and 2. Why these numbers are given, kids? Because we have created an ordered list. Which list? Ordered lists. Therefore, the numbers are there. And the name of the two items are there. First is hardware and second is software. Okay, is ordered list clear to you? Fine. Now we will move further to the third list, that is definition list. It will gives you the definition. It means that list inside list that are also known as nested list. It means in one list the another list will be there. A definition list is a list of items, an explanation of the items. It means that the items and the explanation of the items both will be presented in the list. They are indicated in the next tab position. It starts with the DL tag. Each definition starts with DD tag. The following code illustrates the definition list. First it will be started with HTML document, then body tag, then DL. And the DL stands for definition list. Then DT, it means definition text. Unit 1 plant life, DT tag is closed. In unit 1 again two lists are there. That means chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Therefore again the definition or the explanation of that list is given. This is a list inside list. So DD chapter 1 food making, DD tag is closed. DD chapter 2 use of plants, DD tag is closed. Then again second list is created. DT unit 2 animal life, DT tag is closed. Again inside the unit 2 again two chapters are there. So again the list is created inside the DT tag. It means that unit 2 again new list is created to explain that which chapters are presented in the unit 2. So DD tag chapter 3 parts of animals body, DD closed. Again DD started chapter 4 uses of animals, DD tag is closed. DL tag, body tag and HTML tag is finally closed. On running the above program, you will get the output as shown in the figure 1.16. So you can see that the output, the definition list. First the unit 1 plant life. It means that the list is started with the unit 1 plant life. Can you see that here some space is there? Why this space is there? This space is there, na? Are you able to see this space? Why it is given? Why the chapter 1 is not started from here? Why it is started from here? Because it is list inside list. Therefore some space is given to make it in a easy to read format. The person can understand that it is list inside list. Therefore when we start writing a paragraph, we leave some space. So this is like a paragraph, okay, because it is give the definition or the explanations of the list. So in the unit 1 is about the plant life. In that unit 1 two chapters are given, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Again in unit 2 animal life two chapters are given, chapter 3 and chapter 4. So this is an example of the definition tag. I hope that you all are clear with this all list. So how many types of list we have, students? We have studied. You can speak with me. Okay. First is bulleted or unordered list. Second is numbered and ordered list. Third is definition list. So today we have studied how to create the list using HTML. There are three types of list. Okay. So now we will finish our session here and we will continue with our next topic, that is inserting image using an image tag. It means how to create an image or how to add an image in the HTML page. That we will study in our next period. For now, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.